Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. In this video, I'm going to do a quick recap and what to expect tomorrow for the S&P Emini futures and a couple stocks, so make sure you guys watch till the end. But let me know if you like this new format. I'm thinking about, since it's a new year, maybe try and do this type of format 2 days a week. It's going to be kind of like the weekly watch list, but it's more for the next day. I'm going to try and find levels, things like that. So leave in the comments down below if you like it, but let's jump right into it. So S&P Emini futures, very first trading day of 2023, and we kind of gapped higher, went higher, and then kind of came down, and we're still within this box that I talked about. I said if we break above, watch for potential long. If we break below, watch for potential short. Okay, our next chart, and we could see this in our market profile, right, a lot cleaner. We actually had that level, right, where we just kind of went sideways. We really balanced on the market profile. Well, guess what? Now we're balancing here just like we balanced here for a while, okay? And then we took off and went to the next level, right? Here, we kind of came back down. Now, we could say, look, shoulder, head, shoulder. This might be bearish for the market. So, especially today's price action, let's look at what the market did. We kind of opened and just sold off. This is a B shape and market profile. Very bearish, right? B stands for bearish whenever you see these, right? So, just something to be very aware of going into the rest of this week. It is a short trading week. We only have 3 more days, but I would say feels weak to me. Now, next chart that I want to look at is my S&P 5-day, 5-minute, okay? And look at this. We see it kind of more condensed, sideways action, point of control. We're right there, but this market does feel weak to me based on the market profile. Next chart. This is a 15-minute chart. This is my weekly trade zones, right? And if you don't know what the weekly trade zones are, watch this real quick. If you want to help support my channel, get some education, and also get some trade levels, then you must have my $99 lifetime access one-time payment for my S&P Emini Future Weekly Trade Zones, plus my top 5 trading strategy video course bundle, over 7 hours of content that you can use on any stocks, options, futures, day trade, or swing trade. And every weekend I update my website with S&P Emini future resistant and support levels with any open gaps and VPOCs. Again, $99. Make sure you guys check out daytradingfearless.com. Go to the link down below, but back to the video. Okay, with that being said, look at how we opened, right? This was the open. We opened right at my trade zone. We kind of gapped higher, right, on Monday evening and went right to my trade zone and reversed. That's what these trade zones do. They show you where potential reversals are going to happen, right? Just that one trade zone, if you took that one trade, would have paid for the entire $99 course, right? So, and then we kind of overnight popped up, right? Looked above, failed. And then guess what? We came right at the regular trading hours. We opened and just market kind of sold off directly from there. Shoulder, head, shoulder, right? So with that being said, let's look at the bigger picture of the S&P Emini futures, right? Kind of sideways. We could, if we want, we can even say, hey, look, this looks like a big bull flag, or sorry, bear flag right here, right? So again, I go through these charts to get a gauge with you guys on, hey, are we bullish or bearish? looks bearish, right? Everything that I'm showing you, head and shoulders, usually signals bearish markets when you see them over and over. Bear flags, right? Sharp downcline, sideways action, watch for another leg lower. So I'm going to say going into tomorrow, I am bearish this market. Now, it might take another day or two, just so you guys know, because we are trading. But with that being said, let's get rid of these and let's grab our Fibonacci extension. I'm going to go from the highest peak, right, to the lowest peak and then back up. These are levels I would be watching. If you want to pause the video right here and write down these levels, these are the probably levels where we should pause. Okay, now again, none of this is trade advice. I'm just some dude on YouTube. Trade at your own risk, but I'm just trying to show you guys what potentially may happen. Now let's take a look at a couple stocks. Apple first. Okay, wow, what a great day to start the year off on one of the best stocks that everybody loves. Made new lows. Okay, multi-month lows right here on Apple. I've been saying I won't be surprised if Apple actually goes lower. Let's draw a fib, okay, on Apple, and I would just go from this entire leg, okay, from that high to these lows it made this morning, okay, or this afternoon. And again, if you want to pause the video, these are levels I would look for potential support for a pause, a bounce, something like that. Or if you are short, these would be levels for potential targets. Okay, Tesla, potential double bottom. Interesting here, right? That we have on Tesla. Now, the one thing that I'm going to look for on Tesla, okay, is their divergence right here. No, look, everything's in sync, right? If anything, I actually think Tesla is going to go lower. That's what it looks like it wants to do. So I'm going to grab my fib extension, go from this entire high to this low, right? All of this price action right here from this double bottom, these are levels. Again, if you want to pause, this is where potential targets could be, or look for bounces. Look at that. The 127 is right around that 99, we'll call it $100 level. So keep an eye on that. And then finally, Amazon. Amazon actually looks bullish compared to Apple and Tesla, right? Think about it. Tesla, double bottom, about to make new lows. Apple made new lows. And the Amazon's actually starting to rally. And if we draw a trend line, we're actually on the other side of this trend line. So just something to be aware of. Even on the pullback, RSI was pretty strong and all that. So hopefully you guys like this format. Let me know if there are stocks you guys want me to take a look at, things like that. Leave them down below in the comments. But as always, thank you for watching my videos, and we'll talk to you soon.